The world moves because we make it move. Elevators, airplanes, roller coasters, conveyor belts, even the ice cream cone in your hand. It all starts with power transmission and motion control. We help factories produce, supply chains flow, and keep people on the move. Every day, our companies supply the parts that keep life running, touching nearly everything you see, use, and enjoy. A career in power transmission and motion control means joining an essential, innovative industry, where technology meets problem solving, and purpose drives every project. You'll work with advanced systems, design and build precision components, learn in-demand skills, and know your work will always matter. Because when the world moves forward, we're the ones making it happen. Start your career. Move the world. Learn more on our website,